me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your very own plant-based milk alternative. But before we get into all that, I need to know. So let me know in the comment section below, do you say almond or almond? Whatever you choose to say, that's what I'm using to make today's milk alternative. This recipe was surprisingly easy. So if you want to see how I do that, just keep watching. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I want to hear your answers, almond or almond. See y'all. First thing you're going to do is take 1 cup of raw almonds, and to that you'll add 2 cups of water. So after you've got your water in, you'll just let your almonds sit overnight or for a minimum of 8 hours. And you'll know your almonds are ready if they're kind of squishy, like this. So then you'll just go ahead and strain off the water and add your almonds to a blender. So for every 1 cup of almonds, you're going to need 4 cups of filtered water. I had some bottled water that I just went ahead and poured into my blender. Now technically this is all you need to make almond milk, but I'm a little extra. So I'm adding a couple pinches of some Himalayan pink salt. I'm going to add a little bit of some vanilla extract, and for sweetness, I'm going to add a couple squirts of agave nectar. So I'm just going to blend this in my blender for about 1.5 minutes on high. When I took the lid off my blender, it looked nice and frothy and foamy just like this. And now we're going to go ahead and strain. So I'm using a tea sock. You guys first saw me use my tea sock in my Thai tea video. Be sure to go ahead and watch that. And I'm just using this to kind of separate the liquid from the almond meal. And so I just had to kind of readjust the tea sock, and you may have to add a little force behind it to squeeze, like I said, that pulp away from the liquid. But that's pretty much it. You can just serve it over ice, and as long as you have it in an airtight container, it's good for a couple days. So be sure to let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section below. And don't forget to tell me almond or almond.